Hello students, welcome back to our channel. In this video series, we have been seeing Samachi syllabus, class 12, chapter 1, electrostatics, 1 mark question and answer, important points. This is the part 13 of this video series. Come on, let us move on to the points. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. In parallel connection, the equivalent capacitance is always more than the largest individual capacitance in parallel. Let us suppose there are 3 capacitors with capacitances like this. So in parallel connection, the equal capacitance must be always more than the largest of these 3, that is 3 farad. Now let us see with the example. 1 farad, 2 farad, 3 farad, all these are in parallel connection. So the equivalent capacitance Cp is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. P stands for parallel. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6 farad. So this 6 farad is larger than the largest of these 3. Next point. The surface charge density sigma is inversely proportional to the radius of the sphere. Let us suppose there is a sphere. On its surface, charges are there. That is called surface charge density. It is inversely proportional to the radius of the sphere. So, sigma is inversely proportional to r. Therefore, sigma is equal to, here I have removed this proportionality symbol. So, I need to put is equal to and include or insert a constant. Here by mistake it is written in Tamil as Marili. You correct it as constant. So sigma is equal to constant into 1 by r. So in the next step, this r comes this side. Therefore sigma r is equal to constant. Next point. The end of the conductor which has larger curvature has smaller radius. So in a conductor, the end which has got larger curvature has smaller radius. It has large charge accumulation. The place where the curvature is very large, there only we could find a many number of charges located on it. Therefore, the electric field near this edge is very high. Next one. The reduction of total charge of the conductor. A conductor is there, it has got a charge. The reduction of total charge of the conductor near the sharp edge is called. If a conductor has got a sharp edge, at that edge, the total charge of the conductor gets reduced. This phenomenon is called action of points or corona discharge. Next question. Lightning conductor is a device used to protect tall buildings from lightning strikes. Next point. Lightning conductor works on the principle of action of points or corona discharge. Next one. The lightning conductor does not stop the lightning, rather it diverts the lightning to the ground safely. Next one, it is related with the Van de Graaff generator. The electrostatic potential created by Van de Graaff generator is nearly 10 to the power of 7 volt. The principle of Van de Graaff generator. There are 2 principles based on which the apparatus known as Van de Graaff generator works. They are nothing but electrostatic induction and action at points. These are the 2 principles. Next one, the positive potential supplied by the power supply to the comb D. A comb-like structure which is named as D is present in the Van de Graaff generator. To that, a positive potential nearly 10 to the power of 4 volt is given. So in detailed question and answer, you will be learning about this Van de Graaff generator. As it is one word point, you just note down the positive potential supplied to the comb D. Comb like structure is 10 to the power of 4 volt. The leakage of charge can be reduced by enclosing the machine, that is the Van de Graaff generator, in a gas filled steel chamber. So the entire machine is enclosed in a gas filled steel chamber at very high pressure. Next one, the high voltage produced in the Van de Graaff generator is used to accelerate positive ion, that is protons and neutrons. You may come across a spherical structure in the Van de Graaff generator. On its surface only positive charges get accumulated. So on the whole, this Van de Graaff generator produces positive potential. So positive potential drives only positive ions. You might be knowing that like charges repel. So that positive potential accelerate positive ions. What are positive ions? Something like protons and neutrons. So with this video has come to an end. Let us meet in the next video with another set of questions.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos.